Hey guys, what's up? So Tosha on top of Street Trees, files 11, 12, 13, 14. The first street card EQE, system-wide parametric equalizer. For iOS 7 to 14, Checkra1n is recommended. This she's called Spectrum, and for iOS 13 to 14, it's a system color customizer. For iOS 13 up, allows you to change not only the default blue tint color in all apps, but also the light and dark mode colors, so you can create your own custom color modes. This she's called Hydra Easy App Shortcuts. This she's called Apps Color Changer, and change the color of multiple apps. This she's called Sunset Overdrive, animated the 80s on your lock screen. This she's called Battery Notifier, similar to that notifies alert when a connected Bluetooth device's power is low based on your settings. This she's called Tab Count, show tab count Safari for iOS 13 and 14. This she's called Meredith, dial with memories, not dreams. Colorize your favorite apps for Meredith, either color system wide or for your favorite apps. Special thanks to Runtime Overflow for helping essentially. Next she's called UPIP, enables native picture-in-picture in YouTube app. Next she's called YTHD Unlocker, and unlocks higher definition video quality in YouTube app. Next she's called YT UHD, unlocks 1440p and 2160 resolutions, and on YouTube, iOS YouTube app. Next she's a theme called Lollipop White, a light version of the original Lollipop theme. Next she's called Leica Glyphs version of Leica with modern colors. Next she's called Sutu Plus. Sorry, I can't read this to you. Maybe one day I will learn Chinese. Next week is called Zinnia, a wonderful neon overhaul for your lock screen. And we have Zinnia Trial. This is the trial version of Zinnia. But you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next.